In today's video, we're modeling the part which will keep our set together, the frame. So what do you say? Let's get our hands a little dirty here. Open a new part, habilitating the new line tool. We'll draw the first line with 11 millimeters, and then we'll draw another one on the vertical with 63 millimeters. Habilitate arc circle and select the relative point option. So the circle will be positioned with the following coordination: 25 millimeters on the x-axis, 56 millimeters on the y-axis, and a radius of 56 millimeters. Now that we have our circle, we'll habilitate the Offset Sketch 3D tool and project a line on the other lateral of our sketch, like this. Now we'll go to the lower part of our drawing, where we'll add 2 more circles with the relative point command, like this. After that, we'll select the line command and habilitate the From Tangent command to select the tangent as a reference. We'll then select the option again to reference the second circle. Select the Line Partial Erase and erase every lasting line. See? Now we have our parts outlined. And the only thing remaining is the pin and adjusting nuts holes. For the first one, we'll select Arc Circle and draw a circle with 6.35 millimeters of diameter starting from the center. Then a rectangle will be drawn with relative point, and we'll reference it with the measures of 31 millimeters on the y-axis and 8 millimeters on the x-axis. It'll have a measure of 20 by 25 millimeters. Now let's move on to the extrusion. It'll be 21 millimeters, 10.5 millimeters to each way. We're selecting the lateral face to create the through cuts. Habilitate the Arc Circle tool, and with the relative point activated, draw the lower rectangle. Now habilitate the arc circle with the relative point activated again to create an upper sketch. That's it. Now we'll create a through extrusion. Select the plane tool and click on that lateral side of the part. Add a measure of 25 millimeters and the plane is created. So let's start the sketch. Habilitate the Arc Circle tool and select its center. Then, add a radius of 20 millimeters and project the lines with the Drawing Sketch 3D command, erasing any lasting line with Line Partial Erase, like that. We'll then create the cutting revolution of our part, selecting the rotation axis and the geometries we drew. Moving on, select the Fillet tool and make the necessary roundings, and then the Chamfer tool to break the corners and the holes. Change the material to carbon steel, and it's done. Our frame is ready. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. You know, we work hard every day to deliver the best content for you. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.